We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up EABA, Alibaba Group Holding Limit. We in here looking for market structure and patterns. So let's figure out what's going on in the market. So price actions here. So if we look at from price action, we only marking up on the monthly time frame as well. Okay, so market price is at the midpoint. The market goes up, how far would it go up? Areas of highs. Market price that go down from this level, how far it can go down. If it breaks this midpoint level, it's coming to a low. We're going to draw a midpoint line right in the middle. So it'll give us divide us with sections to see what areas we in. What we're going to do as well is we're going to put some extra SR lines in between here. So we're going to place another one here. Place another one here, the midpoint of the second section. So let's read the market. So the market just pushed up from somewhere. So think about the market being at a low, pushed up to areas of highs. They came back down. So we had a single push up, market came back down. Looked like a retest, push down once. So from that push down once, that retest, we do have a pattern. So I'm gonna explain it. Here we go. So it's a double bottom. So when we see double bottoms, that's showing that the market's going to work its way up. So here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W. So it's multiple retests, consolidation, right? Those three candles right beside there. Retest. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. We got multiple pushes. So this area right here is an area of consolidation. And then once the market is in consolidation, we wait for the breakout. So I'm not going to continue counting the push-ups when the market's consolidating. So after the consolidation, the market's either going to break up, break down, and the market broke down and we formed another pattern. So let's talk about it. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Double bottom. We know what happens at the double bottom. The market retests. It goes a retest right here with the three red candles. And the market pushed up with the white candles. Okay, so we got one push up to the market to the high so far. Okay, so the market reached higher highs and the market is working its way back down. Okay, when we reach that area as higher highs, we look at we have a single top in this area in a retest, and the market came back down to retest again in previous areas. So single top, market pushed down, retest about 2 times, maybe 3 times if you count this one, 2 or 3 times, and then from there the market pushed down once, twice, market's at a midpoint. Okay, so areas of entry for the double bottom would be in this area here for that third leg, or you can catch the retest in this area here. Now, once the market pushed up, we seen that double top, market pushed back down. You would have seen the market join itself out, first leg, second leg, third leg. So with between its third and fourth leg, this would be another area we'd be looking for entry. And then if we didn't catch that, you wait for the, and this is very important, and we talk about this all the time, with this resistance line that's here that I created, if you see that the market broke and it came back down, that's called the break and retest. So the market broke and came back down to retest. Okay, so double bottom, the entry will be here in the third leg, pushed up, came back down for the retest. So there's another area of entry. And then the market pushed up once. Okay, so majority of times, once the market pushed up at the double bottom, it does push up 2 to 3 times. But in this case, it only pushed up once before it came back down. So we got a single top at the top. Market came back to a midpoint. Okay, so once the market's in that midpoint, there's only a few things that can happen. It's 3 things that can happen. So the market, remember, it broke for somewhere, came down, so it's gonna come back to return. And if it's a true downtrend, the market's gonna retest in this area here, or maybe a little lower, and then shoot down to areas of lower lows. not, we can also get the market to just consolidate on this SR line until we finally get a breakout to the upside, a breakout to the downside. And last but not least, the final thing that can happen in the market is market can push down like it's doing, so it can break our SR line, which is support because it's working its way down. Once it breaks, it can come back to return. Once the market returns to that area here, we can look for entry and then take it down to the downside. Okay, so this will be a spot for entry. But once the market keep on pushing, don't chase the market. Let it break as far as it wants. It's going to come back to return in any of these areas. The furthest it can go back is at this doji here before it push back down and create that double bottom. And then you know what happens after the break and retest, market's going up. If not, coming back down, if not sideways. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. BABA.